What's up? Headed back to the hotel. Just came through Times Square. I'm walking on 42nd Avenue now. And you know, it's raining. But I must tell you that even in the rain, I am still fascinated by this city. As dirty and dingy as it is, there is something uniquely intriguing about it that still fascinates me. It is. I don't know what it is, but it does. So, I think I'm a New Yorker. That's Jessica.
What you saying? What's happening?
Nothing. I'm just showing them you.
Huh?
Nothing. I was just showing them you.
Oh.
And we are walking.
Wonder if thing that
Where? Did we pass the dollar? Huh? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so I don't know. I like it. Wish you guys was here. We definitely need to plan a Coleman and the crew hangout weekend or week in New York. I say, Jessica, you're holding up traffic. Come. New York week. So we can all come hang out here together. Yep. And I think I'm lost. Nope, there go Chick-fil-A. We're on the right track. All right, guys. See? Oh, and we're back. All right, I'll check in shortly.